In today's world, everyone tries to win arguments with quick, clever comebacks. But have we ever stopped to see what those words really do? A single sarcastic line can break a friendship. One harsh reply can shatter trust built over years. A careless insult can scar a child for a lifetime. And sometimes words light a fire inside someone's heart. A fire even they can't control. Most of us act like words don't matter until they explode in our own hands. But what if we are wrong? Today's story isn't about ancient wisdom or fairy tales. It's about a modern man so sure that words are powerless until a few perfectly chosen words changed everything. Before you speak again, watch this and ask yourself, do you truly respect the power of your words? One rainy afternoon in a sleek city auditorium, Dr. Rehan, a famous psychologist known for his deep staring talks, was giving a seminar titled Words Shape the World. Among the audience sat Arjun, a confident young man with folded arms and a spectacle look. During the question-answer session, Arjun stood up. His voice echoed through the hall. Dr. Rehan, words are just sounds. They can't hurt anyone unless we let them. It's our choice to feel pain. It's like blaming the spoon for making you fat. The power lies in us, not in words. Dr. Rehan smiled faintly, lowering the microphone. So you believe words themselves hold no power? Exactly, Arjun shoot back. They are nothing but harmless noise. The hall grew still. Dr. Rehan nodded slowly. Interesting thought. But tell me, Arjun, what if I say you are a blockhead, too thick to understand what I am saying? Arjun stiffened. His jaw tightened. Excuse me? Dr. Rehan's voice turned sharper, like glass. Yes, you a stubborn, dull-witted block of stone, blind even to your own ignorance. Arjun's cheeks burned red. His breathing quickened. Shut your mouth, he roared. The room held its breath. Dr. Rehan stepped closer, voice calm but piercing. Why, Arjun? You just said words mean nothing. Why do you feel this fire rising? Arjun opened his mouth, then closed it, realizing the storm boiling inside him. Dr. Rehan's voice softened, turning almost gentle. See, just a few arranged words changed your heartbeat, your breath, your very mind. If harsh words can ignite anger so easily, then somewhere kind words must be healing someone too. Arjun swallowed hard, his glare fading into stunned reflection. You are right, doctor, he whispered. I couldn't control it. The words pierced straight into me. Dr. Rehan nodded. Words are like fire, Arjun. If you hold them carelessly, they burn you and those around you. But used wisely, they can warm heats, they can warm hearts, light darkness and heal wounds. Arjun sat down quietly, eyes lowered. The fire in his chest slowly replaced by understanding. Words are not empty. They are sparks that can burn or brighten, often in places we can't even see. Once spoken, they can't return. So choose them with care, for your tongue carries the power to wound or to heal. Think about it. Sometimes it's just a short text typed in anger that ends years of relationships. Or a single sarcastic joke at a family dinner that leaves someone silent the whole night. Like spilling hot tea on someone's lap. It takes a second, but the burn can last for years. Yet, if harsh words can wound so deeply, imagine what gentle words can do. A quiet apology that melts old anger, a kind compliment that lifts someone's heavy heart on the worst day. Or simply saying, "I'm proud of you," and watching tired eyes light up like morning sun. Words may seem like air, but once they leave your mouth, they land somewhere on someone's heart. So, before you speak, ask yourself, am I holding a spark that might burn, or lighting a candle that might brighten someone's path? If this story made you pause for a moment, share it with someone who might need that pause too. And if you too believe words can heal or hurt, share your thoughts in the comments. Let's remind the world together. Subscribe for more stories that don't just tell but make you feel. Thank you and take care.